This is an overview of a nighttime collision between a box truck and a motorcycle in 2005. Area photos show the scene in the daytime. Post-accident skid marks show the path of the motorcycle after impact. The damage to the motorcycle was recorded. The box truck was damaged at the rear of the vehicle. Nighttime reenactments show the difficulty in seeing the lights of the motorcycle when it was followed by an automobile's headlights. Several angles of the test were videotaped. A split screen shows both camera views simultaneously. A camera was placed on the motorcycle. Several variations of the test were conducted.